All right, I got in a set of electric knife blades. These are serrated edge blades, and they are pretty worn out. And these things are just made out of cheap steel, but I'm going to try to sharpen them and give this lady a little bit more life into these blades until she has to actually buy a new set. Okay, I got them sharp. I've got them, each one of the serrations well defined, removed the burr from the back side of the blade. So at least we got some extra life out of these blades for her.